Patents, copyrights, and trademarks are all forms of intellectual property that provide legal protection to creators of original works. In this article, we will discuss the basics of patents, copyrights, and trademarks and how they can be used to protect your intellectual property. Patents are legal protections granted to inventors of new and useful inventions or discoveries. Patents give the inventor the exclusive right to manufacture, use, or sell the invention for a certain period of time, usually 20 years from the date of filing. Patents can be a valuable asset for businesses and individuals who have developed new and innovative products or technologies. Copyrights, on the other hand, protect original works of authorship, such as literary works, musical compositions, and artistic works. Copyrights give the creator the exclusive right to reproduce, distribute, and display the work, as well as the right to create derivative works. Copyrights are automatic and do not require registration, although registration can provide additional legal protections. Trademarks are symbols, words, or phrases that identify and distinguish the goods or services of one party from those of another. Trademarks can be registered with the United States Patent and Trademark Office, USPTO, to provide legal protection and prevent others from using similar marks. Trademarks can be a valuable asset for businesses and individuals who want to establish and protect their brand. It is important to understand the differences between patents, copyrights, and trademarks and how they can be used to protect your intellectual property. Working with experienced intellectual property lawyers can help you navigate the complexities of these legal protections and ensure that your intellectual property is properly protected. In addition to legal protections, it is also important to take practical steps to protect your intellectual property. This can include using non-disclosure agreements, NDAs, to prevent others from sharing confidential information, monitoring the market for potential infringements, and registering your intellectual property with relevant government agencies. Enforcing your intellectual property rights is also important. This can involve sending cease and desist letters to infringers, filing lawsuits to seek damages or injunctive relief, or negotiating licensing agreements to allow others to use your intellectual property for a fee. International intellectual property laws can also be complex and require careful consideration. Working with experienced intellectual property lawyers who have knowledge of international intellectual property laws can help you protect your intellectual property in foreign markets. It is also important to be aware of changes to intellectual property laws and regulations. This can include changes to patent laws, copyright laws, or trademark laws, as well as changes to international treaties or agreements. Staying informed and up to date on these changes can help you protect your intellectual property and avoid legal liabilities. In conclusion, patents, copyrights, and trademarks are important legal protections for creators of original works. Understanding the basics of these legal protections, taking practical steps to protect your intellectual property, enforcing your intellectual property rights, and staying informed about changes to intellectual property laws and regulations can help you protect your intellectual property and avoid legal liabilities. Working with experienced intellectual property lawyers can also be a valuable asset in protecting your intellectual property.